quality of the brand, everything that you have about this product is high quality. And both of us preach that all the time, right? You can't go in and expect to build an $18 million business with some Fiverr logo.
That's right. I mean, we did the idea to this came to us in mid-March to do this product. It's not just me. There's some other people and some other partners involved. We did start with a little bit of money, so this is not a start with $5,000 and do something. We started with a chunk of change, but we were entering into the most competitive space on Amazon. I mean, there's almost nothing more competitive than this space. And so when we looked at it, and it's this product to differentiate it, it's it's not it's the product itself is pretty much very similar no matter who you buy it from. And so we had like, how can we differentiate this? So we did that with branding. And so we, in a 3-month period, basically, we did what would normally take probably a couple years in a whole branding, a traditional corporate company, where we have an entire, it's a really good logo. We have two different levels on the logo. Uh, we have a custom song. We actually have a jingle that was written. My wife is Colombian, and she knows some music producers in Colombia. So we have a music jingle that pushes the product that was done in both English and Spanish. So we're going after the English and Spanish market. We have 5 different videos that we did. One of them's a PSA video. We pulled out every stop. We did press releases with your company. We're doing Amazon posts. We have an Amazon storefronts. We have all the A+ content. We rushed, went to Germany to get our trademark so we could get brand registry, get all the features of that. The listings are completely, fully, I think Helium 10, if you use their plugin and it gives you a little score, they're 10 out of 10. One of them I think is 9 point something out of 10 right now because it doesn't have what is it, 10 reviews or whatever it is. They have that as a factor in the score. And then, so we've done everything on that side, and really high-end professional photos with different models and different situations. And as the first reviews and our first comments are coming in from customers, we see what they're like. 3 or 4 people are asking the same question, like, does this product have X in it? And we're like, we say that in the listing, but I guess people are missing it. So we went in and we changed one of the images to illustrate that this product has X or is made of X, and put that as an image. And it's overnight the conversions went up. Obviously, a lot of people had that, so we're constantly monitoring it. Yeah, it's a full-on brand. We didn't go into this to let's get rich quick. We looked at this, could this be another fidget spinner or hoverboard? And we're like, no, we're going to do this to build a brand and sell this hopefully within a year or so to a very large company. So that money that I just said, it's just Amazon. We also have our own website that's starting to ramp up now. It's nowhere near what Amazon's doing, but the Shopify sites. And then we also have retail distribution. So we have a $200 million distributor that's already pre-sold quite a bit, and it will be in stores and all over the place in the next month or two as well. And then, so yeah.
So before you got into this, how much competitive research did you do?